Our weather team is tracking the snow in Teller County tonight. We know so many people ready for winter to be over. Meteorologist Casey Doran shows us just how common snow in Woodland Park is for the month of May.
It's May. In most of the country, that means warmth, flowers, trees with leaves, and certainly no snow forecast maps. But in Colorado, May still means snow. Since we're tracking snow in Teller County tonight, let's start with a look at May snow data for you. Getting data for Woodland Park is challenging because no permanent official observation sites exist. I checked data for the last 11 years using the Community Collaborative Rain, Snow, and Hail Network, KOAA for short. You can participate in that, by the way. Details are in my web article. History shows Teller County gets plenty of snow in May. The biggest storm was on May 21st, 2022, when the entire county saw more than a foot. Some areas received nearly 2 feet. At the lower end, May 9th, 2013 left 3 to 8 inches in Teller County. Woodland Park picked up 7 to 8 inches. In general, Teller County averages a 6-inch storm in May every 2 to 3 years. Last year's last snow was on May 11th and 12th. You may recall this was Mother's Day weekend. With that storm, Woodland Park picked up 4 to 5 inches of snow and a lot of moisture. Divide picked up 2.5 inches of liquid. In the Springs, we got more than 3 inches of rain, which crushed the single-day record for the month of May. Meanwhile, we had tornadoes on the eastern plains. Colorado in a nutshell. Getting back to Colorado Springs and Pueblo, last year the last snow for both cities was on April 22nd with slightly more than 1.5 inches. The moral of the story here is this upcoming snowstorm in Woodland Park is pretty typical, occurring every couple of years on average. What's also typical? We'll be here live forecasting and keeping you informed. Meteorologist Casey Doran, News 5.